What's going on? This is Markie Williams. Welcome to my channel regarding online certification courses. Allow me to break down these courses and what they consist of. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be a priority if you want to stay current in your field of work, and plus, get paid your worth. Let's get started. Many companies focus on how to be productive in the workplace, to produce something, no matter what the job title is. What department you are in, they want to see something being produced. Some managers do not understand that a car manufacturer produces, not the finance department. An assembly line produces, not the purchasing department. These are two different measurements. So how does one measure progress in the finance department or the purchasing department? This is all through time utilization. Time utilization in the workplace is a real thing. First, break down the word utilization in the workplace. In the context of company culture and employee engagement, refers to the effective and efficient use of employees' skills, abilities, and resources within an organization. And when it comes to the time part, it's simply how long does it take someone to do it. Many employees stretch out their tasks just so they won't get tasked with something else. As management, they should task the employee and simply give a due date, and anything past that due date should be addressed with follow-ups regarding the delays in supply, additional resources and support they may need. This is the template for employees to start understanding time utilization in the workplace. Now let's go over some other factors when setting up time utilization in the workplace. Setting up cross-training, either within the department or across multiple departments. Tap into employees' other skill sets that can be utilized elsewhere when needed. Upskilling and reskilling your department when it comes to their scope of work. Management should understand this will change every 5 to 7 years, so start keeping up with the times. When it comes to automation, AI is the go-to for redundant roles at the workplace. Start utilizing it. Understand Kaizen in the workplace to eliminate and streamline the processes and workflow, which is really a huge time saver. By investing into your employees when it comes to skills and knowledge, companies and businesses can improve their employees' performance and productivity, leading to higher utilization rates. Create a culture of involvement. Management and leaders has to understand that they're there for the employees for resource guidance and direction. Employees' input need to be considered since they're the ones actually doing the job. Communication. This is a big factor when trying to achieve time utilization in the workplace. Management has to set the workflow, meaning no gatekeeping when it comes to information and resources. I have seen many co-workers waiting on management to reply back on an email or pick up on a call in order to get a task down. Set your team up in a way that others do not know who is the manager of that department. With all this being said, supply incentives to the team, proper downtime when needed, compensate accordingly. Allow your employees to write out their annual review as to what they have accomplished and what they like to do in the future. This will allow you to fit the right pieces of the engine in order to run properly. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below. I also have a website up and running, which is also Markie Williams Online Certification Courses. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any trending certification courses. You may want to pick up and comment below down and I will reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams. And I also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these thumbnails as well. That is floating around right here, and always remember to get paid your worth. Many thanks, it's Markie Williams, and I will see you in the future.